Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your API with Amazon Web Services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what an API is and its purpose. Identify the specific APIs you need to secure in your application. Log in to your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. Select the API Gateway from the Services menu. Create a new API by choosing either REST API or HTTP API based on your needs. Define the API name and description in the Creation Wizard. Configure the API settings according to your requirements. Once the API is created, locate the Resources section. Add a new resource by clicking on that Actions menu and selecting Create Resource. Input a name. Next, create a method for your resource. Select the newly created resource and click on Actions, then select Create Method. Choose the HTTP method you want to secure, such as GET, POST, or DELETE. Integrate the method with a backend service or mock integration. Set the method request for authorization by selecting AWS_IAM, Cognito User Pools, or API Key, depending on your security needs. For IAM authorization, configure IAM roles and policies that restrict access as needed. If using Cognito User Pools, create a user pool and configure authentication settings. Implement API keys by selecting API key for authorization and create a new key if necessary. Next, apply throttling and quota limits to your API keys for additional security. Enable CORS if your API will be accessed from web browsers. Deploy the API by creating a new deployment stage. Select the deployment options and give your stage a name. Once deployed, note the invoke URL for accessing the secured API. Test your API using tools like Postman or curl to ensure proper authorization is enforced. Monitor usage and logs using AWS CloudWatch for any suspicious activities. Regularly review and update your security measures to adapt to new vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you'll have a more secure API within the AWS environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.